Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to use Relevance AI for lead generation. You can develop an agent for this. So to design a tool, head over to your tools section, click on new tool and search in here for or type in here for basically lead. Okay, I'm going to be typing in here lead generator. Click on start. Just hold on a bit and it is going to be basically creating a tool for this. So just hold on a bit until it is designing, and once it does, your lead generation tool will be good to go. It could be from LinkedIn, website, or public databases. Just simply provide data, public sources, and any data. Now it will be designing our tool, and you can see our tool is now developed, and that's it. You can head over to the link in the description to access Relevance AI and get some extra benefits and rewards. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.